Alright, and welcome back to my shed. This time on my shed we've got a big item. Oh, nearly knocked the microphone there. There we go. It is from Temu, or however you want to say it. It is a cordless jet wash spray gun thing. I've had this for a while. What that is. Some kind of filter, I guess. Water filter. I think maybe if you put it in a bucket. It's got some tubing, so if you're out of distance of your hose pipe, you can carry a bucket of water just to finish off rinsing the car, whatever it is. So put that there. It's got 2 batteries. I'll talk about them in a minute. It's got a water nozzle. Don't know what that's for. Is that like a spray thing for foam, I suppose? I'm not sure. I'm trying to make room on this desk. It's got 2 different attachments. Oh, that'll fit on there for now. Crikey, crumbs. Look at that. Subscribe. Is that 2? Yeah, there you go. There we go. Bit more tube. Don't know what that's for. What else have you got in here? It's got the lance. And that's got 1.5E, 25 must be the power spray, 0 spray. It's got a spray multi-function head on the lance. What's in here? A charger for the batteries. I'll talk about that in a bit. What else has it got? The actual gun itself. We'll also talk about that in a bit. Another one of them. I think that, looking at that, that's probably for that hose pipe. And it's got its own bag and instructions. Get rid of this box. My God, have I got some shite in this shed? Do you know, I'm going to have to have a clear out. So probably sometime you're going to see this and this is all going to be cleared. All this junk will be gone. So if I've got anything I don't want, I'll give it away. Just let me know. Comments down below. This is a Day Plus DP. It says, please note there will be water inside the pump body after the factory test of the pump, which is a normal phenomenon. What's it say on that? Warning, blah, blah, blah. Handheld lithium cleaning machine used safely. Original machine accessories. Charging on battery pack. Ensure the children are not exposed to the range. It says, do not put into water and don't put into fire source or near fire source. Okay, install the pipe outlet. It says there, can you see that? I don't know if you can. Please connect the water inlet pipe and the quick connector. Install the filter screen at the end of the inlet pipe. So this, I'm right. So this, if you're like filling from a pond even, or dirty water, or you're not too sure of the water, that is a bit of a bit like a filter, so you don't suck that up into them, block your machine up. Insert the inlet joint into the fuselage as shown. Okay, and that's it on them. Okay, I've got a bucket outside. I might show you, I might not, to be fair. So here's a nice bag for it. So when you've finished, you've got a nice little working bag. Now that's not bad, is it? Just for the bag like that. So you can put all your stuff when you're done in the bag. So you can throw it in the boot, whatever it is. Go and wash your mum's car, your dad's car, your mate's car, your girlfriend's car. It's always in the car. Handy. Now, let's have a look. Let's get this all lined up properly so we can have a gander. There's that, that's that. So, there's the charger and there's the filter. Let's have a look, shall we? Not bad at all. It reminds me of the old heat guns, you know, for the thing. Day Plus on it. I know you're not supposed to turn these on with nothing on them because it's like a dry pump, isn't it? So we'll instead the battery anyway. That battery fits nice. There is no secondary on-off on this as far as I can tell. Not a bad one, is it? Oh, shit. Yeah, there's right. There is water in it. So it has been tested. So I won't be doing that again. So yeah, well, I'll put that there. These batteries 21 volt max. They haven't got their own base charger per se. Let me get rid of that water for a minute. They've got, let's have a look, there'll be a little hole somewhere. There it is, look, can you see that? That's where the charger goes. So if you plug this into the socket in the house, very light. And it says Leon charger, input, output 21 volt, 2 amp. So that'll go into there, and then you plug it into your socket. And so what you can do is use one and charge one. That's not bad, is it? This, I have no idea how that would work. That comes off that, like that. Little straw in there. Does that go? So you can fill in your foam stuff, I would imagine. Fill that with demon foam or something. And let's have a look. So what is that for? I've absolutely no idea what that's for. So this would be if you were, like say, for the bucket. Where's the end of this? There's the end of it. One of these, you've got a little, what's that say, on, off. Got a little tap type thing there. These are push fit ones. So if you were going to attach it to, let's say, that way, that's it. Attach it to the hose pipe. That'd go and push fit. And you can actually turn that off and on. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's quite tight. That works there. Then the hose pipe would be onto there. But I don't think, to be fair, that this hose here is way too small for that. So that's for your hose pipe. Let's have a look at this. I would imagine, looking at this, that this would be for this. So if you put that on through there and you push that, crikey, yep, obviously it's got to be tight, yeah. So a bit of persuasion and it'll go in like so. It's not a particularly tough hose, so once that's on you want to leave it on, then you tighten that up to there and it should tension itself, and this part here will fit snugly onto there. So then you can empty this or carry it into a bucket and see how it goes. I'll probably fill a bucket just to show you how it works, because I'm intrigued myself. Obviously these batteries are going to need charging. This would go on the end, on the other end, whatever that is. Where's the other end of this? Look at that. You'd think the other end would be easy to find, wouldn't you? Right, where are you, other end? One, two. This is an infinite pipe. There is no end. What's going on here? Where's the other end? Ah, shit. Oh my god. That's it should have an on-off switch here, really, shouldn't it? It hasn't got one. This will go onto here, I suppose. Once you've pushed that on, you don't want to be taking it off again, so that'll be left there as it is. Put that back in there, so at least I'll be able to find the end. And crikey. And that's that. Let's get rid of that for a second. Now this, I've explained that, haven't I? So what is this then? I've no idea what that's for. I think it might be for a tap. You know when you got a tap outside in the garden? That's all I can think of, because it's got a thread on it there, if you can see that. And then that will attach to something like this. And where you can double attach it, maybe. That's all I can think of for that. This one, does that fit into there? Oh, it does. So that fits in. Because, oh, my little demon guy. Get back on there. So that'll be there full of your foamy stuff. And then you can press blah, blah, blah. And then off it goes. So that's that, like that. I'm not going to press it obviously because there's no water there. So, and then the last bit, if you take that off, just push and twist, quite easy on. This is the last bit which would go onto here. Oh, there I needed a bit of force. At least you know it's not going to come off. And then obviously you could turn to whatever you want on that, on the 0 as well. So this is, I think the price I paid was 18 quid delivered. No, actually 18 quid plus £2 delivery, because this was a UK based delivery, so it came within 2 or 3 days, so I don't have to wait 2 or 3 weeks or something like that. It was quite handy, you know. But to be honest with you, I've got a big Ferrix jet wash. You plug it in, there's mega wattage power on it. It's brilliant. It's pretty good, but sometimes it's a faff to bring out. You got to bring out this, bring out the coil, do all the rest of it, all the leads and all that, and then he's lugging it about. Sometimes all you want to do is rip out your hose pipe, get up there, give it a quick wash, and then you're done. You know what I mean? Or quick wash some dirt down, maybe down muddy, so you just want to do the wheels. And it just seems sometimes to bring all the more powerful jet washers out when this could do the job. That's why I was thinking of maybe do the windows with it or something like that as well. And you haven't got to worry about it. Plus, even with this thing, it's got, like I say, the bucket option on this. So you can fill a bucket and take it up there and see what happens. Alright then, this is, I'll let you know, I'll probably do a little video with a bucket or something just to show you how powerful the jet stream is. I'll probably charge up a battery as well, to be fair, on this. So that's giving it a better chance. But, well, it definitely won't be as good as you get for like a plug-in one, a 240 volt one. So this is it. This is a 21 volt max day plus lithium ion cordless jet wash, don't know what you want to call it, from Temu, whatever it is. So until then, hey, don't forget, like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel to 500 subscribers. If you can see in there, please help my channel grow. If you like this video, you got any questions about any of the items on these videos, just post in a comment and I will 100% guarantee I will answer you. Until the next time, take care.